Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my nighttime routine with a 2-month-old and a 7-year-old. So if you guys are new to my channel, I just had a baby 2 months ago. He actually just turned 2 months on the 2nd of December. Right, babe? Okay, yeah. I tend to forget, but he just turned 2 months, and you guys, it's been a little bit difficult. I've been wanting to do this video for quite some time now, but being a mom after 7 years, it's been hard, but I think I've got it down to where we have a routine and we have everything flowing nice and smooth. And today's video is in partnership with Truly Beauty. So I'm going to show you guys not only how I take care of my babies, this is my other baby, but how I also take care of myself, because obviously being a mom is very important to take care of yourself. So I'm going to show you guys how I've incorporated Truly Beauty's new Blueberry Kush line into my skincare routine to make it look poppin', if you guys know what I mean. Baby Lincoln is sleeping right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the kitchen just a little bit while he's asleep, and then once he wakes up, I will give him a bath. It is currently, what time is it? Babe, what time is it? It's 6:51, so it's still a little bit earlier in the evening, but as you can see from outside, it's dark. It gets super dark now, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of light cleaning just so tomorrow, you know, I don't have to worry about cleaning up too much. This is a time where I just kind of clean up any mess, do whatever I need to do. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, I'm going to start off by cleaning my kitchen, and that is the one place that when I go to bed, it has to be clean. That way in the morning, I don't have to worry about washing dishes, doing this and that, and I can start making breakfast and get my day started. So today we actually had Burger King. I usually cook. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I post tons of recipes that I make. But me and Lonnie were just feeling lazy today, and we just picked up some Burger King. I'm also going to be letting Cosmo and Cleo in. They love being out. Well, Cosmo loves being outside at this time of year because he is a husky lab, and when it's cold outside, he loves it. I'm going to do some light cleaning here. I am the worst at putting things back, so I'm just putting things back in order. Blankets, my new purse that I just got, I also posted it on Instagram, and I'm also going to be storing my breast milk. I feel so fortunate to supply so much milk. I actually have tons of it stored away in my freezer already because I do produce so much. It's a blessing, but sometimes it's a little kind of a pain in the butt when you're out and about. I'm going to do some cleaning of dishes. I don't get tons of dishes dirty because it's only the 3 of us that are at home, and usually my husband won't eat when he gets home just because he gets off pretty late and he doesn't eat dinner any later than like 7 o'clock. So these dishes are literally like what we use throughout the day. Lonnie loves to help me out, especially when it comes to spraying anything. Like anything that involves her spraying something, she loves doing it. She's such a big help, you guys. She is 7 years old, and she is such a blessing with housework and just helping me out with the baby in general. It really does make such a huge difference, and it just really helps me out. So baby Lincoln woke up. I heard him crying, so I just come and tend to him, and he is such a happy chunky baby. Look at him, you guys. Can you believe he is 2 months old? Wow, time sure flies by. Now we're gonna get him ready for bath time. Bath time is about once or twice a week. It really depends on how messy he eats, which he is a pretty messy eater. I always make sure that in between bath days, I do clean him around his neck because he tends to smell like milk. If you're a mom, you know what that smell is. So I do try to keep him clean in between baths, because I don't like to give him a bath every single day. He's a baby, he doesn't need it. He hates when I take off his clothes, so I try to be as gentle as possible. So here, I'm not going to show you a full clip because obviously I want to respect his privacy. And yeah, he actually loves bath time. It depends on his mood, but most of the time he loves being in there. I let him stay in there until he starts getting a little bit like wiggly. He's such a wiggle worm, and that's when it's like a cute, okay mom, I'm ready to get out, because he doesn't like when the water starts getting cold, which who does? I love taking showers with like boiling, steaming hot water. Am I the only one? And now it is time to get him dressed. I always cover him up because, again, once he feels a cold, he gets so mad. And he is not a big fan of me applying lotion to him. Like, I don't know if that's just babies in general, but he starts getting so angry. As you can see, he starts wiggling and moving. He just does not like it. So I try to move as fast as I can, but I do like to give him a bath as soon as he wakes up, because it just kind of helps to soothe him back and kind of like relax him and get him ready for an actual nighttime routine for his bedtime. Lonnie always helps me out with picking out his outfits, his pajamas, and she picked out these little dinosaur pajamas, which again, she's such a big sister. She loves helping. After he is all dressed and bathed, he does love to eat. I do breastfeed him mainly, or bottle feed him with breast milk. Occasionally we give him formula, but most of the time he is breastfed, which I love it, you guys. I think it's such a deep connection that you make with your baby, and it's a bond that is unlike any other. So now it's time for Lonnie to go to bed. It is about 8:40ish. Usually we will read for about 15 to 20 minutes. She does have this kids Bible. I got it off of Amazon. If you guys are interested, I will have it listed down below, but I really like it because it has really cute animations and it still tells all the stories of the Bible, but to the point where kids can understand it. And she is reading, she is in 2nd grade, and I just think it's amazing that she can learn about God and, you know, all the good things in this world. Before we go to bed, we always do a little prayer. So we are going to do a little prayer, me and her. She loves praying with me, and we take turns. One night I will pray, and the next night she will pray. She also sleeps with our little dog, Cleo. She used to sleep with us, but obviously since having a baby, she migrated over to Lonnie's room, and she loves it. So it is bedtime for Lonnie. Now it is time for self-care for me. Baby Lincoln is downstairs with his dad. If you guys are wondering where my husband is, he is downstairs playing video games. This is his time when he's like, you know, daddy time and relaxing and playing video games with his best friends online. And this is when I get to spend time for me once Lonnie's in bed and Lincoln is, you know, about to fall asleep and daddy's keeping him nice and entertained. So I am going to jump in the shower. I actually don't wash my hair every single time, so I'm going to put the shower cap on and a little headband to keep my hair from getting wet. Now in the shower, I do pretty much my whole skincare routine aside from like my lotions and stuff. So here I am just using a balm to remove the oil or the makeup off of my skin. I love to do a pre-cleanse because it really is a lot more gentle on the skin, and I will just take one of these like makeup remover things to take off as much makeup as I possibly can before jumping into the shower and actually taking care of my skin. Now when it comes to body scrub, I've been using this one by Truly Beauty. This is the Moon Rocks body scrub. I love to use the scrub before I go in and actually shave because this helps to smooth out the skin, detoxify it, and if you suffer from like razor bumps like I do, this is going to be your new favorite. I don't love it for the rest of my body because I want something that's a little bit more stronger as far as exfoliating beads. This is gentle enough for the underarms, which is why I love it. And since it does help detoxify, I extra love it because I have been extra sweaty because of breastfeeding, all your hormones and all that stuff. Yeah, not cute, and this has been such a blessing. Now we're gonna move on to the skincare. I am applying my moisturizer before I go in with my oil. I've already washed my skin in the shower. I really like to do my skincare routine in the shower, like I said, because I do shower with pretty hot water. I just feel like it just really opens up the pores of the skin and really gets deep in there. So after my moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with the Blueberry Kush. Now this actually contains 1,000 blueberries. It is also AHA and BHA. This is one of my favorite products because AHA is derived from sugar canes, and this one helps stimulate collagen. It also exfoliates the skin, so it helps produce better elasticity. BHA is great for getting deep into the pores and cleaning them out. That is what is going to give you that super smooth filter-like appearance. If you guys have been looking for a really good oil that is going to absorb into the skin and it's not going to leave you that greasy feeling, I highly recommend this one. And then as my last step, I'm going with the Unicorn Fruit Lip Plumping Balm. This is so pretty, you guys. I love this. It leaves your lips looking super oily, but not to the point where it feels like you have like dripping oil. Do you know what I mean? It just makes them super smooth and it sinks right into the lips because the lips do have a very sensitive skin. So after that, we are going to apply lotion all over our body. I'm going to go in with the Blueberry Kush lotion. This one as well contains 300 milligrams of CBD. It is super antioxidant. It leaves the skin looking and feeling really soft. I apply it on my legs, especially right after I have shaved. I love going in with the lotion and with the body oil. The body oil is the same as the face oil. It just really helps with the skin and making it look nice and glowy. I actually love to use this one when my husband gives me massages. I have such bad backache, especially around my neck, and we recently got a little massage gun, and girl, let me tell you, it's made such a huge difference. So if you guys suffer from like soreness in your muscles, I really recommend this oil to rub it in. It really makes such a big difference. So that is it for my skincare routine part. Now I am putting baby Lincoln to bed. This is me putting him down for the rest of the night. It is not nap time, and he is such a wiggle worm, I'm telling you guys. He is also a super duper light sleeper, so I always have to be extra careful when I lay him down to make sure that he doesn't wake himself up, because he does do that a ton. So I have to sit there and like rock him back and forth just a little bit just to calm him down. And once he is nice and calm and he is fallen into a deep sleep, it is time for me to kind of, you know, relax and give myself some me time. I do like to study my Bible at night. Studying my Bible for me is very important, not only because of my faith, but it really does bring so much peace to my heart, to my health, my mental health, and everything. It's just helped me out so much, especially in this year with all the craziness. It's just put me in such a good place. So after I've done my study, I do it on my phone and on my actual Bible, which mine is in Spanish. That is the end, you guys. I get ready for bed. I always give my baby boy a good night kiss, even if he like wants to wake up, because he's such a little wiggle worm. But that is it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much to Truly Beauty for partnering up with me in this video. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.